This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Constitution Day will be celebrated today across the country. It was on the 26th of November 1949 that the Constitution was adopted and it came into force on 26 January 1950, marking the beginning of a new era in the history of India. The government has planned year-long nationwide activities to mark the 70th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution. Various sections of the society will do a mass reading of the preamble to the Constitution at 11 a.m. today. It is aimed at reiterating and reorienting the citizens towards the values and principles expressed in the Constitution and encouraging all Indians to play their rightful role in strengthening the Indian democracy. It also aims to create awareness of fundamental duties as enshrined in the Constitution. Union Minister Jitendra Singh yesterday said that the construction of railway track from Tripura to Bangladesh is underway to run the first train from the state to the neighbouring country. The cross-border train service, which is expected to start next year, was discussed between Singh, who is the Union Minister in charge development of Northeastern region, and Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb in New Delhi. The 15-kilometre-long railway line project, estimated at 972.52 crore rupees, is being implemented jointly by the Indian Railways and the Bangladesh Railways. The project is expected to be completed by the year 2020 and will improve connectivity and boost trade between the two countries. It will also connect West Bengal and Tripura via Bangladesh. During the meeting, Singh and Deb discussed several development projects and civil services in Tripura. A list of infrastructure projects, mainly roads and buildings, was handed over to the donor minister and sought assistance from his ministry and the Northeastern Council. Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy yesterday approved independent member Latiplang Kharkongor as the new chief executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. In a letter to Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District Masur Nongri, Deputy Secretary to the Governor A. Lakyang informed that the Governor has approved the election of Kharkongor as the new chief executive member of the council. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu yesterday said all facilities will be made available to police personnel posted in all districts of the state. Inaugurating the headquarters of the 5th Indian Reserve Battalion in the presence of Home Minister Bamang Felix, the Chief Minister said the state government was giving top priority to provide best infrastructure and facilities to the police personnel posted in the districts. Khandu thanked the policemen, particularly those who silently discharged their duty diligently and honestly and whose contributions never got highlighted through medals, for helping make Arunachal a progressive state. The Chief Minister urged the men in uniform to always maintain dignity and respect and not to indulge in corruption. In Mizoram, officials of the State Excise and Narcotics Department have seized over 796 grams of heroin worth 31.84 lakh rupees from 2 districts and arrested 6 persons, including 2 women. Acting on a tip-off, the officials seized the contraband from Latiplang village near the Indo-Myanmar border and Champhai town. The accused were arrested for their alleged involvement in smuggling the heroin and booked under various sections of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal yesterday urged universities in the state to incorporate the National Service Scheme in their curriculum to encourage students to participate in national reconstruction. Sonowal said that an exposure to the ethos of NSS will enable the knowledge seekers from college and university days to inculcate social responsibility in them. He batted for incorporating the scheme into the university curriculum as elective core or skill-based courses. Sonowal also urged the functionaries concerned to hold 3 state-level NSS conventions to bring its motto close to the heart of the youth. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.